So hello friends, I am Director Pulse IS Academy, Gandhinagar, Jammu, and our phone number is 9596 662695. Another number is 700 66 27650. I will repeat the numbers: 9596 662695, and another is 700 My name is Jasdeep Kamra. Today I will deal with the topic how to deal with the upcoming KS examination in our state. Okay, as you know, guys, that the tentative advertisement for KS exam has already come last month, and we are awaiting the detailed advertisement, which is going to come anytime, maybe within the next 1 or 2 weeks. And according to the tentative advertisement, the prelim exam is going to happen in the month of June or July 2021. As and when the prelims exam is held, after its result, the mains exam is conducted generally after 90 days, that is after a period of 3 months. Okay, so you should be ready for both prelims as well as mains, because mains exam is also not too far. If the prelims happens in the month of June or July, then August, September, or then the mains will be happening in October or November, or at the most December. So you should be ready, because mains examination requires a lot of hard work. It requires a lot of writing practice. It requires a lot of perseverance, smart study, of course hard work. Okay, and a continuous hard work, which is very important, that generally students deal with it in they study hard for 1 2 days and they do not study at all for another 1 2 days. This approach is not going to help. You should be able to study for 5 6 hours at least per day, every day. Okay, so it's like slow and steady wins the race. Okay, now I will deal with the strategy part. Okay, so as you know that prelims is going to be held by June or July. So of course you guys should complete the topics which are going to come in the prelims first. Okay, I will uh, deal with the topics like this. First of all, you should do modern Indian history, Indian polity and governance. Then you should complete the current affairs, because current affairs are coming huge in numbers in UPSC and in last year's KS examination also. Apart from that, you should be abreast with current happenings in the Indian economy, and you should also be abreast with traditional part of Indian economy, especially the topics like money and banking, share markets, forex exchange, and things like that, RBI, etc., nationalization of banks, etc., monetary policy, fiscal policy, etc. Okay, so modern Indian history, Indian economy, Indian polity and governance. Then you should focus on environment and ecology, which is very important topic these days, especially in IAS. And the topics which are important in IAS, of course, they become automatically important in KS. Okay, so environment and ecology, approximately 10 to 15 questions are going to come in the prelims from this topic, and they do not require any special knowledge, but they require, of course, the in-depth study of the summits and meets, especially which are held from time to time all over the world regarding climate change, global warming, etc., and the traditional part on environment and ecology also. Okay, apart from that, you should be abreast with the Indian geography part, world geography part, physical geography part. After this part, you should then study ancient and medieval Indian history. Okay, and apart from that, you should also focus on the current happenings in science and technology part. Okay, so do not need to have thorough knowledge about physics chemistry. You should skip that topic, because out of 100 questions, you have a lot from ecology part, environment part, Indian geography part, modern history, Indian polity, and current affairs. Okay, so regarding NCRT books, I would say that NCRT books should be read, but not do not waste too much of your time on NCRTs, because direct questions from NCRTs are not going to come, because questions generally come from current part, and you should be able to integrate the NCRT part with the current part, especially in the mains examination and also in the prelims. Okay, so these were the topics which I just dealt with, which are going to come in the prelim exam. Now let us think about what if you pass the prelims in the first attempt. Now, as and when you pass in the prelims, which is a screening test, which is a weeding process, you should be ready for the main examination. As the name suggests, it is the main examination. Okay, so the KS rankings will start beginning from this examination only, and the prelim exam will not have any effect upon the mains examination. Candidates who will have scored top positions in the prelim exam will not have any edge over those who have passed the prelim exam just by a few marks. Okay, so you should focus on the main examination rather than the prelim examination. Okay, so now just a second.